Hello, my dear student. This is Amita Mishra, your computer teacher, and we are back to the Vasishta Vidyalaya study materials. Here, the chapter number 8 of subject computer, class 4th, is given with a revision part. As you all knows very well that we have already uploaded a video related to the lesson number 8. So here we are just going to do the quick revision of that with the important notes. What we have already learned, that is introduction of the chapter related to the MS PowerPoint 2010. What is MS PowerPoint presentation? Then starting MS PowerPoint 2010, components of MS PowerPoint 2010 window, creating a new presentation, saving a presentation, slide layout, MS PowerPoint 2010 views, running a slideshow, opening an existing presentation, printing a presentation, closing and exiting from a presentation. So basically what is a presentation? According to the PowerPoint, we can say a presentation is a systematic display of the contents of a topic. Whatever the content is given to you, that you have to write in a systematic manner, step by step, to present in front of the audience or you viewers. It includes text, graphics, pictures, movies, sounds, special effects, etc. As MS PowerPoint is a commonly used software program to create presentation, it is the most powerful tool for communicating ideas and information. Here the given the details of the MS PowerPoint. So MS PowerPoint presentation consists of the slides. The smallest part of PowerPoint presentation it is slides. These slides are organized and formatted using various features of the MS PowerPoint. It is a way of presenting your viewpoint in the form of text graphics on the slides. So, the smallest part of the presentation is known by slides. As in a document you are writing on a page, in presentation you have to write on a slides. For that you can use different kind of text, graphics, animations, audio, video, etc. Here the steps we can follow. First we need to click on a start button. First we need to click on a start button. Then we need to go to the all programs and Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Again I'll repeat the steps. Go to the start, all programs, Microsoft Office and Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2010. After that you will see this kind of the window on your screen. So this window is divided into the small parts. The small parts are known as an components. So what is a component? You can say the small parts of the window are components of the window. So which are the components given over here? First one is a file menu, then quick access toolbar, title bar, ribbon, slides tab, status bar, outline tab, vertical splitter bar, notes pane, slide pane, and view option. So these are the components of MS PowerPoint 2010, and according to your use in a presentation you can access this all. How to create the presentation? That is the simplest manner. First, you need to go to the file, then new option, go to the new presentation, select the blank presentation option, and you will get the new presentation opens on your screen with a title slide. So always the first slide of the presentation is a title slide. The second topic is saving a presentation. If you want to save your presentation to your system, you have to follow the steps. Go to the file, select save or save as option. You will get the dialog box and you have to give the details of your file, type the name of file and click on a save button. This way you will be able to save your file. Here I just repeat the step. Go to the file, select save as, write down the name of the file, click on save and your file presentation will be saved. Slide layout. So the slide layout is the arrangement of text and graphics on the slide. The title slide usually include the title and subtitle of your presentation. So layout is basically designing or structure of the slide which will help you to organize your details in a systematic manner. These are the different views which are given for viewing your presentation. First one is a normal view, slide sorter view, notes page and reading view. So how many types of views are here? First one is a normal view, then slide sorter view, notes page view, reading view and slideshow view. Basically always we are using normal view for editing the slide and slideshow for presenting the slide. So these two are the most used view in a MS PowerPoint 2010. If you want to present your slideshow in front of the viewers, what you will do? Dear children, you have to follow specific steps to present your presentation in front of the audience. So you need to go to the view option, then presentation view group and click on slideshow. Else go to the slideshow tab, select the start slideshow and select from beginning option from there. If you don't want to follow this much steps, you can directly press on F5. It will be help you to present your slideshow from the beginning. The next part of the chapter for the revision is opening an existing presentation. If we have already created the presentation and saved it in your system, so you can follow the steps to open that. Go to the file, select open. Just write down the name and location of the file and press on open button. You can click on open and at the same time you will be getting your file. Now if you want to print a presentation on a paper or you want a hard copy of your presentation, you just need to follow the two steps. Go to the file and print. Select the print option. This is the print dialog box you will be able to see. Select the file, go to the print, give the number of copies, print range, see the preview. And after this all, you need to just press on a print icon or click on a print button. You will be able to get the printout on a paper. The last option is closing and exiting from the presentation. These two are the very different part that you need to remember. First one is a closing a file, means you want to close a presentation only And the second one is to exiting from the PowerPoint window, means you want to close the full PowerPoint software. So if you want to close the file only, you have to go to the file and close. But if you want to exit from your presentation, you need to click on file and exit option. So here your revision part is over of chapter number 8. I hope this video will be helpful to you for revising the details of chapter number 8. For now, thank you, bye, and have a nice day, dear students.